Africa Content TV.
The deputy governor, Alábàdà máa ń wọlé, Sọ́jí máa ń wọlé. Ṣé ìwádìí méjì ló ń gbé wa? Ṣé ìwádìí méjì ló ń? Ẹ̀yin ti sàràkà ọ̀rọ̀ nígbà. Ẹ̀yin ti dúró ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ nígbà. Ọba àgbà fún mi ọ̀rọ̀ nígbà. Ọba dára kàlí jù ọ̀rọ̀ nígbà. Bí ẹ ṣe dáwọ́ náà, ẹ bá ilé ìbò.
So they represented us. They stood for us. Anything they did, it was on our behalf. So if anybody is hurt, if anybody is injured, if anybody is prevented, if anybody is excluded in any form or other, we take responsibility. And before the television, before Nigerians, before the people of Oyo State, before everybody, we said, we take absolute responsibility for all that happened. Failure is ours. Success is ours. So we say, and we appeal to everybody that we're sorry. Chairman, carry our word to the people. These are our words. Replicate these same words to the whole Nigerians, to the local government, to the wards, to the polling unit, to individuals, and tell them that the National Working Committee are appealing to the APC members. It's a family affair, it's an internal issue of the party, but in case anybody is injured, as the head of the family, I say, I am sorry. Secondly,
èèyàn tó pé káre èrò gbogbo yìí ṣe ọyẹ rẹ̀ ó ti ṣe é ṣe lọ́lá ọlọ́run òun àyìnbó ọyẹ rẹ̀ ọmọ Sàràfà tó ń jẹ àṣírí. má jẹ́ jìnnà Kamaru tó kí ògbó kí ẹ kí yẹ o. Ọ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ ìdìbò kí ẹ kí o ṣe jẹ́bi ní tó jẹ́ ọ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọmọ Barrister Sàràfà jẹ́ èyí Abíọ́dún. Ọ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀ ó ti ṣe é ṣe kó wa lọ́lá ọlọ́run lérèké àyíkó. Ó ní kẹ́ mọ́ pe nọ́mbà mi mọ́. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má pe nọ́mbà mi mọ́ o. Ẹ má pe nọ́mbà mi mọ́. Ẹ dákun ẹ má pe nọ́mbà mi mọ́ o. Mo ti bá sára pàdé ẹ má pe nọ́mbà mi mọ́.